Yo, what up? It's your boy LA Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll cover who's my feet to Banita issue. Okay, I'm here with.
Smamanika, Smama.
Awe, thank you, Jam. Sisam, Jam. Ngizokhupha nje. Uqonda ukuthi no-AM no-PM lo isikhathi.
Past noon.
Hmm.
Is it past noon? Except, according to the PM, no AM. Ayibo sasonke.
Yes, number yakho lapha.
Showcase. Singibuzo lowo mbuzo angazi.
Okay, let's come back Jam. Okay. Cela ungirate ama-album awu-3 wavumile aphumile kulo nyaka.
Shit. What rate noma?
Owathandile wena aphumile kulo nyaka.
I thought you was just gonna say something what rate to see. Out of 10, le.
Sure.
But it's cool. It's wash. What should I say about?
Awe.
Yo, bro, I have to say Tony Diamane.
Sure.
Red October.
Yeah.
Induction, obviously. Shit. Keep paying it though.
Keep paying, Jam.
I have to say 28.
Vele mele uyibale kanjani? Sure. Mele uyibale. Sure, ekugcina.
Thing. 3. Fuck. If album Metropile ngibona nyaka.
Entswempu. Sure. Simbalile uThoni.
Wait. Ima style lapha ethi orkanti noma la.
La eMzansi Jam.
Ayila eMzansi. Obviously uThoni yami.
Ekugcina.
Ngoba Metropile vula.
Ulot scripts.
About fit.
Ulot.
Niyalot.
Yeah. Okay, best advice will give to intwana mfethu efuna ukuphusha njengawe mfethu ku music ungathi nje njami.
Kholelwe mfethu kwinto oyenzayo nento ezayo ezokholela kuwena, and also prayer is so important. Thandaze.
Sure.
And also because lento le isha abantu abaningi.
Sure.
Ngiyayilalela mfethu into off. Like negative energy. You don't do that. You only trust yourself, your guts, your instincts. Also prayer, again, I'm going to say this is very important.
Okay. Best advice if I would give about umjolo ngathini?
Umjolo?
Yeah.
Ish. If it's ithanda ithera yakho ethanda njengami, ngiyethanda intombi yami.
Ne.
Sure.
Okay, ngiyathokoza kakhulu
mfethu. Umbewashi, angisho ukuthi babe wami kanjani, but abantombazana ngikwazi. Sishaphe bo, but
okay. Highest amount esowespenda kwi-day to keep it yakho?
Fuck. I have to say 3K.
3K?
Yeah.
Okay, nisazwana vele uyena lo mshoka manje.
Sure.
Okay, please shout out to Instagram la bantu bangithola khona. I know you bayacava but just nje. Bangithola khona.
Okay, so oh shit, like bro, as I'm so thinking about this.
Kule, sure.
Okay, Kamala is Mamane on Instagram, .cmamane. Same thing on TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook.
Okay, contest ngalindela manje that you cooking.
I'm on tour right now. But next year definitely gonna be more visuals. I dropped projects and so it's just gonna be more visuals and also gonna I feel like I'm at bookings, but it's like tour right now.
Yeah.
Next year it's just gonna be a tour.
Alright, please tell them to subscribe to Eli Stones channel.
Subscribe to
Eli Stones channel.
Eli Stones channel.
Ngiyabonga machi. Stay blessed and shining.
I'm not.
Nice, my bro. Ngiyabonga.